Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the max function in Excel. This powerful function helps you quickly identify the largest number within a given set of values. You can input individual numbers, cell references, or even entire ranges. For instance, if you have a list of sales figures, max can instantly pinpoint your highest sale, saving you valuable time and effort in data analysis. Using max with a range of cells is incredibly efficient. Simply highlight the cells you want to analyze, and Excel will do the rest. Whether it's a single column of 100 entries or several scattered data sets, max can handle it. You can even specify entire rows or columns, making it easy to find the highest value across vast amounts of data with just a few clicks. Sometimes you need to find the maximum value only if certain conditions are met. That's where maxifs comes in handy. This function lets you specify criteria, like finding the highest sales figure for a particular region or product. You can apply multiple conditions, giving you precise control over your data analysis and helping you extract very specific insights from your spreadsheets. When using max functions, remember a few key tips. Max will automatically ignore any text or logical values in your range, focusing solely on numbers. Be mindful of error values, as they can cause the function to return an error. For more robust solutions, consider combining max with other functions, like IFER, to manage potential issues and ensure your calculations are always accurate and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.